are the documents or equipment needed to be prepared and checked prior to arrival to port. Bridge movement book / course and engine movement recorder if you are equipped, clock synchronization, bridge and engine room telegraphs, RPM indicators, AIS, Navtex receiver, echo sounder, electronic navigational position fixing systems, radar, gyro and magnetic compass, and its repeaters including the ones in the engine room or steering gear room. Make sure that they are aligned with the master compass. Check also your GMDSS, obviously, your radio communications equipment. ECDIS, you have to check it. Speed or distance recorder if you are equipped. Binoculars, torches, and azimuth mirrors. Have all internal vessel control communications and control alarms been tested? Communications with engine control room and mooring station, are they okay? Thruster controls and indicators if bow thruster or stern thrusters are equipped on board the ship. Signaling equipment including flags or lights, whistle, fog bell, and gong system. Window wiper, clear view screen arrangements, deck lighting, mooring winches and lines including heaving lines, pressure on fire main, anchors cleared away, stabilize if you are at anchor, okay, stabilizers and log tubes, houses, if fitted. Have the primary and secondary steering gear systems been visually inspected and found ready for use, including linkages, hoses, and fittings? Has each remote steering gear control system been tested and has manual steering been engaged? Has the main steering gear been tested from the emergency power supply? Sufficient oil available in steering gear header tank? Safety alarms tried out? Has each rudder angle indicator been checked in relation to the actual rudder position? Have the engines been tried out in both direction, ahead and astern, and ready for maneuvering? Has the pilot card been completed and the pilot embarkation arrangement in place? Have VHF channels for various services been noted and radio communications or radio check been carried out? Cargo and passenger details available if you have passengers? Stability and draft information available on your whiteboard inside the bridge? Has the emergency information, including the details of emergency port contact sheet contained in the vessel SOPEP, been updated and made ready for shore emergency services? Has the port been made fully aware of any special berthing requirements that the ship may have? And you might have some kind of other checks. Now, all companies have specific checklists regarding to prior to arrival to port. This is just one example from my former company. Okay, please check yours.